Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Rocket Espresso Appartamento TCA Espresso machine review. Rocket Appartamento Espresso machine enthusiasts looking for a compact yet professional espresso setup will appreciate the Rocket Espresso Appartamento TCA Espresso machine and Eureka Mignon Silenzio 55 grinder bundle. This elegant black copper and black combination merges Italian craftsmanship, advanced temperature control, and precision grinding into one complete espresso station. Check the video description for the updated price link. Designed for coffee lovers who want CAF quality espresso at home, this bundle combines the iconic Rocket Appartamento TCA with the renowned Eureka Mignon Silenzio grinder. The result is a seamless brewing experience with exceptional espresso extraction, silky milk frothing, and remarkably quiet grinding performance. The Appartamento TCA is an upgraded evolution of Rocket's beloved Appartamento series. It introduces temperature control adjustments while preserving the compact dimensions and stunning aesthetics that made the original famous among home baristas worldwide. One of the most attractive features of this Rocket Appartamento espresso machine is its timeless Italian design. The black copper finish provides a luxurious appearance, while the stainless steel body ensures long-lasting durability. The side panels feature Rocket's signature circular cutouts with copper accents, giving the machine a sophisticated look that instantly upgrades any coffee corner. Despite its premium appearance, the machine maintains a compact footprint, making it ideal for kitchens with limited space. The biggest enhancement in the TCA model is the ability to adjust brew temperatures. This feature allows users to optimize extraction based on coffee roast levels, offering more flexibility and consistency than previous models. The heat exchange system enables simultaneous brewing and steaming. This means you can pull espresso shots while frothing milk without waiting, making cappuccinos and lattes more convenient to prepare. The legendary E61 group head provides excellent thermal stability and consistent extraction. It ensures water is evenly distributed across the coffee puck, producing balanced and flavorful espresso. The included grinder is an outstanding companion for the Rocket machine. Equipped with 55mm flat burrs and silent grinding technology, it offers precision grinding with minimal noise. The Rocket Appartamento TCA excels in espresso quality. Thanks to the E61 group head and upgraded temperature control system, shots come out with excellent consistency, rich crema, and balanced flavor. Whether using medium or dark roast beans, the machine maintains stable brewing temperatures throughout extraction. Espresso lovers will appreciate the syrupy body and aromatic complexity produced by this machine. The pre-infusion capabilities further improve extraction by evenly saturating the coffee grounds before full pressure is applied. This process reduces channeling and enhances flavor clarity. The heat exchange boiler provides powerful steam pressure for milk frothing. The steam wand is responsive and easy to control, allowing users to create silky microfoam suitable for latte art. Cappuccinos, flat whites, and lattes are easy to prepare, with milk texture that rivals many commercial coffee shops. The Eureka Mignon Silenzio 55 is one of the quietest espresso grinders in its class. Its silent technology significantly reduces grinding noise, making early morning coffee preparation far more enjoyable. The stepless grind adjustment allows precise dialing in for espresso. Combined with the Rocket Appartamento TCA, this grinder produces consistent grind sizes that enhance extraction quality and flavor balance. Users who appreciate premium home equipment may also enjoy exploring other quality appliances such as the portable dual-fuel silent inverter generator category for reliable household and outdoor power solutions. Check the link in the description to get yours today.